Look at this picture. How do you feel? If you feel fear, you may have thalassophobia. So, what is thalassophobia? Thalassophobia is the intense, persistent, and irrational fear of large bodies of water, such as the ocean, sea, or large lakes. People with thalassophobia may experience anxiety, panic, or dread when they are near deep water, think about it, or see images of it. They may also be afraid of the creatures that live in the water or the vast emptiness of the sea. If you have thalassophobia, you are not alone.